welcome to my YouTube channel, Kyah Michelle. Today we're going to be doing some art. And I have this bowl full of little papers that have things to do, like, for instance, make a swap. So I would just pick a random one and then draw it on a piece of paper. So let's get started. Alright, I have the pieces of paper here and I'm just going to pick randomly with my eyes closed. Okay, I got one. Now I'm going to read it. I can't open it. Okay. It says create drips. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll think of something. Let's do it. I'm starting with the face. It's going to be some sort of creature thing, but now it's starting to look like a human being, which it's supposed to look like that. Anyway, I'm just doing the hair now, and this is supposed to be a girl playing with some sort of oozy thing, and she got it like all over her, and she's like got it all over her hands and on her face, head, whatever. And now I'm just drawing the body and trying to put pockets, redoing the arm, and just making it more black. So I was going for a girl. In my mind, I pictured it way more different than this, but whatever. And then I put some drippies on the wall and dripping from her hands. And I'm just trying to make the hair look not like a big blob. So, yeah. Now I'm starting on the face, and I was really struggling with the eyes, and I didn't really know what to do for the face. Like, I didn't know what color her eyes were gonna be, or what color her lips were gonna be, or like what she was really gonna look like. And so I wanted her to be like winking, and so I did that, and she just has like totally black eyes because the pencil wasn't very sharp. It was more dull, so it looked, yeah. But anyway, I was trying to do the lips, but it just kept looking wrong-ish. And so yeah, I'm just fixing a few things. I don't know why I keep wiping the paper, but yeah. And I put some on the floor and more on the walls. And I'm coloring the hair. Time for the fun part, coloring. Now I'm just putting darker lines into the hair so it doesn't look like a blob again. And I'm doing the eyebrows. And I made that one way too thick, so now I'm darkening the eyes. And this is where I forgot to outline everything in black marker, so I'm doing that. Yes! And I just, yeah. She's looking really skinny. Wow, those fingers looking plumpy. Very thick, but whatever. Now I'm just outlining everything. I also don't know why I keep closing it and then thinking I'm done, but then and here I am doing the lips again. I just can't. Okay, that looked creepy. That looked creepy for a second. But I landed on that. It's pretty good. Get your head out of there. No one wants to see your head. They want to see the drawing. Okay, this looks like blood right now. It looked like blood. But then I put in some orange and I'm making it like rainbow. Like some part is red, some part's orange, like she took it out of different buckets. And this is where I decided, I was like, no, this face is ugly. I just need a restart. She has no forehead, just gotta redo the whole entire thing. So I erased all of it, and there's still tons of marks where they were, and yeah, I'm just trying to redo it, and the eye still looks like a black eye. And those lips are pretty good. Her face is a little weird shaped, like the size of her jaw and face, but yeah. If you look closely, you can see that I keep bringing in that black marker because I keep forgetting to outline things. And I keep putting my face in there. Why? Just why? Anyway, I'm doing the wall now, coloring the paint on the wall, and I keep bringing in that marker again, but I'm just doing second coats with the thing and coloring paint more, and I realized there's no purple paint, so I started coloring her shirt purple, because I still want it to be sort of rainbow, because I love rainbow. And then I did violet for the collar and stuff. See, I keep bringing in the marker. Okay, now I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I am now putting my face in and outlining the face with black, so it just brings it out more, because everything else is like popping out except for her face, so I gotta color that. Now I'm coloring in her skin because I don't want her to have skin like Snow White, because that's just not normal to me unless you live in like a really cold area. Yeah. Now I'm going back in with the black, and she's looking pretty cute so far, but I don't really know. Now I'm adding like blush to make it not so dull, and I'm adding the shadow to her neck. I'm adding shadow to her neck, and yeah. Now I'm gonna color in the pants. Alright, I decided to add some pink to the pants for some reason. It was looking a little too much like her skin color. So, yeah. Now I'm just adding more blush, and I finished the drip art. I think it looks pretty good. I was going for a girl that was playing with some wet paint, and she got it everywhere. I think it looks pretty good. And make sure to subscribe and like to this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!